Hello, my name is Maddie. I'm a student physical therapist here at UMS. Is it okay if I work with you today?
Yeah.
Okay, what is your name and date of birth?
Riley Brazina, March 3rd, 2003.
Okay, nice to meet you, Riley. So what I'm going to be doing today, I'm going to be listening to your lungs. We're going to be placing this on multiple parts of your back to listen to multiple parts of your lung, make sure that everything is sounding healthy. Is that okay with you?
Yep.
All right, so I'm going to wash my hands if you're comfortable taking off your shirt to kind of decrease any interference. Okay? Alright, Riley, so during this, I'm going to be feeling for different bony landmarks on your back, if that's okay with you. And when I'm moving my stethoscope from one side to the other, I just want you to take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. So we're going to start off with the posterior apical segment of our upper lobe. And so I'm going to find the superior superior angle of the scapula. I'm going to go into the tract. I'm going to go ahead and take a deep breath in for me. I'm going to go over to this side. Here's the right lung, same place. Go ahead and take a deep breath in. Do one more for me. Perfect. All right. The next place is the posterior segment of her upper lobe. So I'm going to find the spine of the scapula. I'm going to go just medial to the scapular border, kind of where T3 is. Go ahead and take a breath in. Good. And listen to her right one now, same place. Good. All right. The next place is the posterior superior segment of her lower lobe. So I'm going to find the spine of the scapula and the inferior angle. We're going to go directly in the middle, just medial to the scapular border around T5. Go ahead and take a deep breath in. Good. Listen to her right lung, same place. In the last place, find the inferior angle, go about an inch below, and then a medial. That will let me listen to the posterior basal segment of her lower lobe. Let's go ahead and take a deep breath in. Good. We'll listen to the other side. Alright, Riley, so everything is sounding normal. I didn't hear anything abnormal, so that's always good. If you don't have any questions for me, you can go ahead and put your shirt back on, and I'm going to wash your hands.